Hello kids, welcome back to Tinkerly's YouTube channel. Today we are going to have an overview of programming languages. In order to understand why we need to learn programming languages, we have to understand the basics of a computer. We all know a computer is a machine that can perform tasks that are given as a set of instructions. But the computer can only understand binary language or machine level language. But we cannot code the instructions in such a low level language. It is the reason why we use programming languages or high level languages which are almost equivalent to human language. There are many programming languages such as C, C++, Java, Python and so on. These languages are used to code the instructions which are required to perform a desired action by the computers. When these codes are executed, a compiler checks for the errors and an interpreter is used for converting the high-level language into machine-understandable language. Let us take an example. Most of us know our mother tongue and English because it is the widely used medium of language, especially in the education field. Now, if I come and talk to you in Spanish or German, will you be able to understand what I talk to you? No, isn't it? It is the same for computers. Suppose if there is a translator who can translate each and every sentence I speak to you in a foreign language in your mother tongue, you will be able to understand what I am telling you. It is the task performed by the interpreter. So basically, a programming language is a language that can be learned by us, and using that we can write codes to create a robot virtually or make a physical robot move or create games. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.